All right, all this talk about the election and voting and such, I know one thing, if you were standing in line, you needed a fan.
Yeah, definitely hot out there.
Yeah, heat advisories again, 6 days in a row for that. I don't think we get it for everybody tomorrow. We might have some of our inland locations get it. Our rain chances are going to start to come back up, at least a little bit, and that will help. It's just as sunny as can be out there right now. You have no shade to help cool us off and no rain to cool us off too, but tomorrow, I think we'll get a little bit of that. So let's get going. Weather impact alert for everybody until 7 o'clock. That's our way of 10 Tampa Bay here, giving you a heads up. We kind of summarize whatever the weather issue might be and just point out certain days of the week where you need to be paying attention to it. Today was for the heat. Again, the 6th day in a row, but by 7 o'clock, that'll be coming down. Everybody's included in that. Tomorrow, we have a few more clouds and showers mid-morning here along the coast, so that'll cut down on some of it. Then it moves inland. Still going to be very hot, very close, but I think just below where we have been. 97 in Bartow. That was 99 earlier. Same thing in Frostproof. It's now 98. 96 in Sebring, 95 in Riverview, 94 in Dade City. How about a light wind? Well, it's not even light. It's 10 to 15 miles per hour now off of the water. So most of the coastal sections are right around 90 degrees, which is cooler than just about everybody else. Feels like temps 105 to about 113. There's some higher numbers in there. That's why we have the heat advisory. All right. Radar obviously is basically clear. Going to watch for a couple of showers to pop up. That looks like a fire right there that's being blown. Some of the smoke being blown to the east. That's in that Duet County or Duet area, just to the southeast of Duet. You can see showers and storms up to our north. This is part of moisture that will actually slide southward, and that is part of our rain chance tomorrow. It's a better chance. Now, we don't expect severe weather, but you see how they've got a couple severe thunderstorm warnings up there? We still have some dry air up above us, and we may get a gusty wind tomorrow afternoon in those thunderstorms, maybe late morning, early afternoon. This is around 6 in the morning. I think we're good, but watch, by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, probably closer to 9, 10, there's some pop-up showers and storms. That's amazing. We would love that. That would really help that warming trend that we have first thing in the mornings. By the afternoon, that's around 1:30. You can see it's starting to work its way inland, and the rest of the afternoon will be mainly dry along the coast. Better chance for showers and storms inland. So it's not a lot of rain. It's about 30 to 40%, but it's certainly coming up from what we've seen lately. Tonight, very warm. We bottomed out about 82 this morning. We'll be about 82, 83 for a low temperature tomorrow morning. Yeah, that's warm. We'll be back into the low 90s for highs. A little bit cooler than we've been the last couple of days. Rain chance 30 to 40%. We'll keep that northwest to west wind for boaters. A little bit more of a breeze in the afternoon and evening hours, mainly in the evening. It's not bad, to be honest with you, boating over the next couple of days. All right, let's talk tropics. No development in the next 7 days, but we will be watching these waves coming off of Africa. Some of the models are saying even as by Saturday, this is Friday night and Saturday, trying to close a low off of there. The colors you see here are the energy, the heat in the water. So when this gets over one of these, it can get stronger. And potentially by the middle of next week, that's almost a week and 2 days away from now, we could have something there. We'll keep an eye on it. Not worried about it. It's way far out in time. This is way far out in time. Look at this. August 26th through September 1st. It does look like the end of this month. See that area? We'll be watching that for possible development. And the first week of September, we have a phase called the Madden-Julian Oscillation, the MJO coming over, and that gives us a little extra lift. And it looks like we may try and get some storms to pop up, but we're talking way out there right now. We don't know where they're going to go, but we're still talking 2-3 weeks out. That's a long time in forecasting. 7-day forecast looks good for the next 7 days. Slightly cooler than what we have been, but still, it's summer in Florida, guys.